Over the past few months, I've been curating what I think is the perfect bag setup, and I've actually found that I carry a lot with me. So without any more stalling, let's go ahead and get into the video. This is what's in my bag. So first is the bag. This is the day pack from Air. It's part of their new work collection, and it's probably my favorite bag to date. I kind of have a backpack addiction. It's a little hard to admit, but it's mainly because I haven't found one that I really love. But after Air sent this one out for me to try, and I used it for a few weeks, I don't think I'm going to need one for a while, and I haven't actually switched it out in quite a while. It has space for everything I need, but at the same time is thin and sleek, and I think it looks great. There's a pouch for your laptop and some books maybe, a section with organization pouches, and a pouch up top for quickly accessing things you need. Okay, so in the first pouch, I have my 2016 15-inch MacBook Pro. I pretty much do everything on here these days, and it's held up okay. It gets the job done. That's all I keep in this pouch, but moving on to the front pouch, this is where I keep most of my stuff. I use an iPhone X as my daily, but I always carry an Android phone with me. Right now, it's the Note 8, so that goes here. I also have a wide-angle lens from Sandmark, and this attaches to a clip, which then attaches to your phone. This is handy to have to just get a little bit more in frame, but I'll be talking about this a bit more in an upcoming video, so be sure to hit that subscribe button to see when that video's out. Next up is the Gopro Hero 6, and as you'll probably notice, I carry a lot of camera-related gear with me, but I absolutely love this latest GoPro. I find the quality to be excellent, and because it's so small, it's easy to take anywhere and put anywhere. Well, almost. I also have the Dji Mavic Air. I just got this drone a few months ago, but it's so tiny and still gives pretty much all the features I want. And because it's so small, I can actually take it with me without too much issue. It doesn't take up that much space. Now, lastly for cameras, I have the Sony a6300. I usually keep the kit 16 to 50mm lens on it. It's not the best lens, but it's tiny, gives a good focal range, and overall, it's just a small package. I usually use this for taking Instagram photos or some random video if I see something cool. Again, like with all the other cameras I have, if I have it with me, I'm more likely to use it, so I just carry it with me. Now, lastly in this pouch is the Nintendo Switch. I also got this a few months ago, and it's great. I love the neon Joy-Cons, and it's great for playing when you have a few minutes to kill. Right now I'm playing Odyssey, and this is probably one of my favorite consoles to date. So lastly is the quick access pouch up top, and this is where I keep all my little personal knickknacks. I have my car and house keys. My house keys are in a little pouch from Bellroy, and this allows them to stay flat so it takes up less room, and it keeps my keys from scratching anything around them. If, say, I put my phone in the same pouch, I just picked this up, but I love it. I then have chapstick. I also have my AirPods, just made a video on those, so be sure to check that out if you haven't, linked below. I also have a tiny knife. You never know when you're going to need to open something, so a knife comes in handy. Not really sure I could recommend this one. It got dull pretty quickly, but it's so small that I've continued to carry it. It's just not that great. Lastly is my wallet. As you might notice from everything else I carry, I hate bulgy, bulky items, and that's no different here. This is an aluminum wallet that carries 6 cards, which is pretty much all I need. It has a little latch that pops the cards out, super minimal, gets the job done. You can even carry cash if you want to. And I also hate carrying anything other than my phone in my pocket, so all of these things live in the backpack. Now, this might seem like a lot to carry with me on a daily basis, but like I said, I find that if I don't take something with me, the likelihood that I'm going to use it drops a lot. Like with the Mavic Air, half the time I see something that would be awesome to shoot with a drone, I don't have it with me. Taking it with me fixes that, and it's worth it to me. But anyways, that is what's in my bag. There are links to most everything down below in the description, so be sure to check those out. I want to thank Air again for sending out the bag. And if you want to see what's in my camera bag, not the one that I take every with me, but when I go to shoot, be sure to let me know by hitting that thumbs up. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below. Anyways, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Again, my name is Matt, and I will see you in my next video. See ya!